Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make a video in Inshot with photos. First, download the Inshot app from the App Store and open the app. Tap on the video option and tap on New to create the video. Select the images you want to add to the video. You will see different options for the editing. Tap on the canvas option and select the ratio of the video. Tap on the double tick icon to apply the ratio to all images. You will see that the ratio will be set in the video. In the canvas option, go to the background. You can change the background of the video to solid colors or blur images. Tap on click after changing the background. Go to the duration option and change the duration of the image in the video. It will change the duration of all the images in the video. Tap the play button to play. You can see the small white icon at the end of the image. Tap on it to add the transition and select the transition from the given options. Tap on the play button to preview the video. Go to the music option and tap music with the plus icon to add the music. Select the music you want to add and tap on use. Tap on the up arrow at the upper right corner to upload the video. Tap on save to save it in your gallery. It will take a few minutes to upload. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos.